How you doing, world? It's me again. I just wanted to talk to you guys about something that I think we all can really relate to. That's food stamps. Yes, America, I said it. Food stamps. The government has us all fooled. They have us all fooled. They put us on something that we think we really need, and they take away something that we really should be doing, and that's grinding it out. Now, don't get me wrong. Those who gets it, some of them really do need it. They got family, whatever. I understand. But I want people to know that food stamps do not replace currency. Now, let me say that once again. Food stamps does not replace currency. So, in another word is, if you want to make an appointment with me, if you want to make an appointment with me, you have to have money. Food stamps, you can't send that card into your gas bill, your gas company, and they'll take that off. You can't, it's not gas money. It's none of those things. You know, what gets me is that people really suggest, well, I got food stamps. Well, can you do such and such for me? You know, I'll pay you in food stamps. I'm not a crackhead. I'm very well capable of supplying my own self. And if anybody knows me by now, I grow 90% of my food. Yes, I have that green thumb. But food stamps is not currency. It is not money. It can't pay bills. It damn sure doesn't put gas in my card. But use it for what it's for. Don't take away from your family, your kids. You're selling all your food stamps and only keeping $10 and barely even doing it the right way. But I know there's a lot of you that buy them off of people. Me being one of them, I have done it. I may do it again. But just know that offer that to somebody as a bonus. Don't offer you having food stamps as that's your way of paying someone. Because I'm going to tell you something. You move in with someone and you have to pay the bills and all you say is, well, I got $500 worth of food stamps I can put on the bill. No. Because I can't take those food stamps down to the office and give it to them and be like, well, it's $500. Do you mind? I'm telling you, life don't work that way. We got to get out there and grind, America. We got to grind. Gotta grind. You know, whatever they do for us is a bonus. Whatever the government does for us, it's a bonus. But don't expect it. Don't expect it. And damn sure don't call me suggesting it. So, this conversation was about food.